That's all I would want to say, Madam Speaker, that my brother is in that pain of not supporting me in the past in the elections, but I've continued to win. And after the elections, my brother has not been happy, and he believes the campaigns continue beyond the time we were elected. And so he'll wish that I'm impeached for him to feel better, because I would have lost the seat I won against his wishes, that I don't. You refer to the Kisii elections, you will see many clips showing how my brother campaigned hard against me, but then I flawed them, and those who are flawed will always be looking for grounds to continue fighting. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Honourable Senators, we have now finished the slots that we had allocated, but I have about 17 requests for senators who need clarifications. We have to take a direction because we have 5 witnesses who still have to give evidence, be cross-examined, be re-examined. So what is your point of order? Before you do the points of order, I want us to take a direction as a House, whether we add 3 slots, both majority and minority leaders are here. Yes. Senator Methu, and then Senator Osotsi. What is the issue? Senator Osotsi, meantime, raise your point of order. Resume your seat. I invited you to use the dispatch box. You move first.
Madam Speaker, I think you directed that Mr. Monda's phone be checked to confirm the phone list attached on the documents. I think we need to dispense with that because the document raised a lot of concerns from the members and from the council as to its authenticity. And also, understanding the Computer Misuse and Cybercrime Act, particularly Section 23, that talks about false publication of computer information. So I think that would be a very crucial aspect to deal with before we proceed.
See, I give the direction. I had directed that the phone on the page which has been downloaded and attached, the documentation, be presented to the clerk, and Senator Cherargei, who had raised that issue, was to be there to see that page. He's not in the House, so I'm